Alright, so let's take a look at some problems involving the double angle identities. In this video, we're going to be given the information over here, okay, and we have to find either sine 2a or cosine 2a. Okay, this will be the second example that I'm doing. You can check my first example out if you want to. And I do have some other videos with the double angle identities where we're using the double angle identities to find the exact value of an angle measure, like sine of 120 degrees, cosine of 120 degrees. So they're a little bit different than these. Alright, so you can see we have our double angle identity for sine, and then we have three different double angle identities for cosine. Now, as far as the cosine goes, how do we know which formula to use? Well, it depends on what information they give us. Okay. Alright, so I mean, if they give us sine, then we would use this one. If they give us cosine, we use this one. Okay. If they give us both of them, then we can actually use any three of them. We can plug in cosine and sine, or we can just plug in the cosine value or just the sine value. Alright, so let's take a look at the second example here. It says if sine A equals 1 over the square root of 5, they want us to find cosine of 2a. Alright, so let's go ahead and just write down our double angle identities for cosine. So I know cosine 2a is equal to cosine squared a minus sine squared a, and cosine 2a is equal to 2 cosine squared a minus 1, and cosine 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared a. Alright, so you can see that we're given sine A. So that tells me there that I'm going to use this formula. So I'm not going to use this one, and I won't use this one. Okay, I mean, you could use those, but you would just be putting more work on yourself. You would have to figure out what cosine is. But since they give us sine, we'll just go ahead and use this one. Alright, so we have cosine 2a is 1 minus 2 sine squared a. So this is equal to 1 minus 2 times, now in the place of sine we're putting 1 over square root of 5. So that's 1 over the square root of 5, and now this is sine a, but we're plugging it in here, so, and that's sine squared. So this is squared. And so this is going to give us 1 minus 2 times 1/5. Okay, I square the 1, I get 1. I square the square root of 5, and that gives me 5. And so this is equal to 1 minus 2/5. And then if I get a common denominator, this 1 here, remember that becomes 5 over 5 minus 2/5, which is 3/5. And there's our answer. Alright. So the thing that you got to do with these is just, write down your formulas, see the information they're giving you, and then pick which one you want and then plug that information in. Okay, that's really all you're doing. Alright, so I hope this video's helped. Hope you'll check out my other videos, and if you like them, you can subscribe. Alright, thanks.